Okay, let's take a look at this Fugg Life Fuggler. This is Sir Belch right here. And you can see this is a Target exclusive right there. So, a really cool design there on the front of the box. There's the design illustration there on the back. So I believe there are 6 different Fugg Life Fugglers. So this is just one of them here. So let's take a look at him here. So he's got the slant eyes there, or the slit eyes. Plastic nose there. He's got a bunch of silver colored teeth there. So couple molars, front teeth, tongue sticking out there. He's got this interesting pattern design to him there. Very colorful. And on the back, the buttonhole with the long arms. So nice and soft as well. Doesn't have any hair on him. So yeah, super cool Fuggler, part of the Fugg Life. So collect them all. Be sure to pick this one up too.